welcome to the How To channel. Today we'll be going over how to make the perfect 4th of July hot dog. All you'll need is hot dogs, hot dog buns, and ketchup. Alright, let's get started. A lot of people say that the most important part of the hot dog is the meat, but I say that doesn't matter. The most important part is how you prepare it. So here we have some ballpark regular hot dogs, and I'll be showing you how to make the perfect hot dog using this or any type of meat that you want to use. So what I like to do is I like to put my hot dogs in an air fryer. I think it's a great way to let the meat really get all the flavor out, and like I said, it doesn't matter what kind of hot dogs you use. If you put them in here, they'll come out perfect. So another thing you can do once you're almost done, flip some buns in there and get them nice and crispy. Alright, so now that you got your hot dog ready, just put it in the bun and just put some ketchup to top it off, and we're good. Alright. Oh, that's a little too much. Sorry, guys. Oh, that's a little too much.
Machek, why don't you just let go of the bottle?
Well, I already squeezed it.
Machek, you can just let go of the... Machek, what are you doing? Just let go of the bottle.
Alright, so we got a little too much. Alright, it's...
Machek, do you want me to take it? Like, what?
Let's go to the bathroom. Alright, I'll put it in. Oh no, I'll put it. I got it. See that? We're good. See, we're good. See, don't worry. We'll just get it in. Alright, let's go outside. Alright, where's my keys? Okay. I think.
Oh, Jesus. Machek, why would they be on your bed? Here you go.
Let's go.
Okay.
Oh, hang on. I gotta get the light.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Oh, this is carpet, so maybe. No, let's go back upstairs. Let's go. We'll go. Chris, can you get that bucket? That's right there.
Yep.
All right, we're good. We just gotta let this squeeze out because, yeah, sometimes this could happen where, like, if you squeeze it too hard, it just like keeps going. Unfortunately, I squeezed it way too hard, as you can see. But
Well, you should have just let the ketchup go. That's all you had to do is just let go of it. You can even let go of it now.
I mean, that's not how that works. You know, once you like squeeze it, you can't just like let go of it.
No, I'm very certain that you could have just let go this entire time. Like, you have ketchup all over your apartment now for no reason, and all over your shirt and pants.
Because I squeezed it, and then like I squeezed it too hard. Like that's what happens.
Where did you learn that? Who told you that?
That's how ketchup works, Chris.
All
What are
right.
you talking about?
Yeah, you know what? You're right. Never mind.
Chris, I'm sorry.
We just gotta wait till it's all done.
Almost?
I think so.
All right, cool. All right, let's go. All right, so there you go. That's how you do it. Sorry about all the ketchup, but anyway, that's how you make your perfect 4th of July hot dog. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. So good.